we recording?
Yeah, we're recording.
Oh man, I would have showered.
You would have hammed it up. Where's your sunglasses?
Probably right here.
Probably.
I like these. These are great.
Yeah,
we'll just go with these. They're purple, my favorite color. A mixture of blue and red. Both are my favorite colors. When I'm feeling good, blue.
When I'm feeling bad, I go.
So F times the sine of theta.
Well, we got to talk about our cold cases. I mean, you know, if we're gonna be a hard-boiled detective, we got to practice this shit.
All right. Well, he did it in the observatory with the candlestick.
We're not playing Clue.
Wow. And the observatory. That's an observatory. Do you remember that one place on Observatory Boulevard in Ann Arbor?
No. Let's see.
All right, she did it in the observatory with the...
Let's just say there's 6 cases we're going to discuss.
All right, fine.
Okay. 1, there's the missing wife.
Missing.
2, there's the missing husband, right? Okay.
Aren't they always missing?
Yeah.
I mean, the first couple weeks are fun after you get married, but
3,
after that...
3 is the missing child, right? Okay.
Oh, yeah, because
Now, what else can we
dumpster.
Now, what else can we have? Dumpster.
If you found a baby in a dumpster,
What would you supposed to be doing?
what would you do?
I would go look for the queue line.
I would raise it as my own. Dumpster diving babies.
Hire dumpster divers to...
There's this comedy skit that they play on iHeartRadio. It's like, you know what? I never wanted to be a father, whatever, but I found this baby in a dumpster, so what was I supposed to do?
Their queue line's moving again.
You know, it would be good if we waited until rush hour was over.
It's Memorial Day.
Can you bring up a computer screen where I can check?
Hang on, I want to get this queue line. All right, nice, awesome.
An alien explodes out of a human stomach.
That wouldn't be a detective story.
Well, we'd have to discuss where it came from. No. All right, what if I'm a member of CHIPS, you know, California Highway Patrol? Let's pull someone over and act like we're cops.
Of course, yeah. You're working for a... what company?
JP Morgan.
Okay, you're working for JP Morgan Chase.
Yep. I'm an investigator.
All right.
And you're part of the government. You're a socialist. You're one of those leftovers from Obama's administration.
You mean I'm a Bernie supporter?
All right, go ahead and do that. But I actually like Bernie supporters. It would be
that would make it sentimental, or you can identify.
All right, whatever. But it'd be a stronger story if you were a leftover part of the cabinet that Obama left over, so I could fry your ass.
Yeah. All right, so we got an embezzlement case. All right, the guy's working for JP Morgan.
What
Chase.
about
He's a millennial. And
estate law? People cheating on you know, the mom, the grandmom, or whatever has $1 billion, $1 trillion, and all the children are tearing each other apart.
I just lived through that. Like,
yeah, so did I. So did I. They put us on top of Angel Hall on State Street, okay? And they had another,
Yeah, I've been there.
yeah, they had another
Yeah,
observatory.
a planetarium and an observatory.
Yeah. So Angel Hall. So you were there, huh?
Yeah, I took astronomy.
Suppose you did.
That's how you met the chicks that like to hang out at night.
The chicks who like space.
Stargazing.
On order 4.
Exactly. I think I see a starfall. You know, they figured out now the black holes actually do like starfalls. I was right all along.
I never doubted you. I never had a single doubt in my entire life. I know black holes exist.
But interdimensional portals?
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
all right.
I was there on board since all along.
All right.
I still want some magic and some horror and some fantasy. Pawn 2 to Queen Pawn 4. Checkmate. Game over.